Welcome to our video on AI-powered ad copywriting in 2025. Today, we will explore how tools like Rytr and Copy.ai can help you create compelling ad copy that drives revenue. First up is Rytr, a powerful tool that leverages AI to assist in creating ad copy. Let's take a closer look at its features and capabilities. Next, we have Copy.ai, another fantastic platform for generating ad copy. Here's what makes it stand out. Now, let's compare the pricing structures of Rytr and Copy.ai to find out which option is more cost-effective. User experience is crucial. We'll analyze the interface and usability of both tools to see which one offers a better experience. Let's dive into the quality of output by examining some examples of ad copy generated by each tool. Speed is essential in ad copywriting. We'll look at how quickly each tool can generate quality content. For businesses needing high-volume output, scalability matters. How does each tool perform in this area? Let's explore specific use cases to determine which tool might be the best fit for different business needs. In conclusion, we've examined the strengths of Rytr and Copy.ai. Which tool will help you make money in 2025? Let's find out.